Alright, today what I want to do is show you guys how to create a 5-number summary and eventually be able to do a box and whisker plot. So let's start with a 5-number summary. So a 5-number summary, right here. A 5-number summary tells you a little bit more information about the data that you have. It's broken up into 5 pieces, obviously 5 numbers. So the first number is going to be my quartile 1, or my minimum. I'm sorry, quartile 0 is my minimum. My first quartile is quartile 1. My median means middle number, is going to be my quartile 2. My third quartile quartile 3, and then my maximum is my quartile 4. Okay, so in order to find my 5-number summary, the first thing I need to do is write all my numbers in order. So I'm just going to take each number, try to find out the smallest, move up to the largest. So my first number is number 1. My second number is a 3. My third number is a 4. 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, and 22. Okay, so there's all my numbers in order. What I'm going to do is start writing out my 5-number summary. So there's tricks to this. The first thing is I'm going to find my minimum. Okay, so to find my minimum, is my first number. So my first number is right here. This is quartile 0, is equals 1 gram of sugar. The next easiest one to find is my maximum. Is my nth number. My nth number, what does nth mean? Well, when I have all my data, all the numbers that I have is my n size. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have an n size, write that over here, n equals 20. And that comes into play a lot when we're doing a lot of statistics. So my nth number is my last one, so I'm going to do this as quartile 4. So this equals 22 grams of sugar. The next easiest one to do is my median. So my median, it's my middle number. You would think that we could just take 20 divided by 2 and get to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 would be right here, but it's not. Because I have 10 numbers on this side, I have 10 numbers on that side. So my middle number really is right in the middle right there. There's my Q2. It's right between those two numbers. So I'm going to show you a little formula that it doesn't matter the data size, or it doesn't matter the shape of it, we can always find it. So my median is going to be I'm going to take 0.5 and multiply it by n plus 1. Okay, so 0.5 times n plus 1. So let's do that. So this equals 0.5. My n's 20 plus 1 is equal to 0.5 times 21, which gives me half of 21 is 10.5, so equals 10.5. Let's count over. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and a half. There we go. When I want to find that number, because I'm between two numbers, what I do is my median. So this equals 7 plus 7 divided by 2. I take the average of those two numbers. So this is 14 divided by 2, which gives me 7, and you guys already kind of knew that. Okay, so I'm going to write this. N plus 1 is 10.5. Next, I'm going to find my first quartile. So my first quartile. Well, this equals, if this is 0.5, it's my median. My first quartile, my first quarter is going to be 0.25 n plus 1. Okay, so this is 0.25 of 21, which gives me, this is 5.25 if you multiply it out. So again, so I'm going to count over 5 and a quarter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. So right here is going to be my quartile 1. And again, I'm between these two numbers. So in order to do that, I'm going to add 4 plus 5 divided by 2. Take the average of the two. 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 4 and 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. 4.5 grams of sugar. Lastly, my last quartile, or I'm sorry, my third quartile is equal to 3/4. Third quartile, 3/4 is 75. So 0.75 n plus 1. So this equals 0.75 of 21. This equals 15.25. So I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's going to be right here between 10 and 11. So quartile 3. So again, I'm going to do 10 plus 11 divided by 2. That's 21 divided by 2, so that's 10.5 grams. Right, so here are my 5-number summary. Quartile 0 is 1 gram, my minimum. First quartile is 4.5, median 7. Third quartile is 10.5, and maximum is 22. And that's how you do a 5-number summary.